Hi everyone. Today I came up with another project presentation, which is about the code basis resume project. Yes, I participate in this project challenge 4. So let's get started. So the project is about the project name is Consumer Advocate Insights. Okay, so the it is about the company Atlic Hardware. We can say the domain will be the consumer first. Now let's move ahead with that. So, we will go with the agenda with this project. So, the agenda will be like this: introduction, problem statement, task, insights. Okay. Okay. So now let's move ahead. So first we will start with the introduction. Let's talk about the company. Okay. So Atlic Hardware is one of the leading hardware producer in India and well expanded in another countries too. Okay. Now, what is the problem statement? Okay. So the Atlic Hardware and the management team notice that they do not get enough insights to make quick, smart decision from data informed decision actually. So they also want to expand their data analyst team by adding several junior data analysts in their team. Okay. So this is the problem statement that they want to make informed decision from their data, and they also want to have one junior data analyst in their data analyst team. Okay, now let's move ahead. So what is the task that they gave us? So there are 10 ad hoc requests for which the business needs insights. Like they give the question that this you have to run the SQL query and give these insights to us. This is the task. Okay. Now let's move ahead. First, we will get a little bit familiar with the data, or you can say the company markets and their product line. So first, we will try to familiar with the Atlantic markets. As you can see in this, that Atlantic market, there are several Atlantic markets in the world, like Portugal, France, Germany, India, Italy, Poland, Canada, Mexico, USA, Colombia, Brazil, Chile, Indonesia, Philippines. These are the company athletic markets in whole world. Okay. So now let's move ahead with their product line. So the first one we'll talk about the product line, that is PC. There are two types of PC: desktop and notebook. And in the notebook we have two types of laptop, like business laptop, personal laptop. And the notebook we have three: business, gaming, and personal. So this one is first product line. Now let's talk about the second product line. So the second product line is NNS, network and security. Okay, network and storage basically. First one we are talking about the networking, and the next one is storage. And the network we have two types, two products like Wi-Fi extender and personal laptop. And in the storage we have external solid state drives and the USB flash drives. Okay. Now let's talk about that third one. We have another product line, that is PNA. First one is accessories and the second is peripherals. Peripherals and accessories. Okay. In the accessories, we have three types of product like batteries, keyboard, mouse. And in the peripherals, we have four types of products like graphica, internal SSD, processor, and motherboard. So now we will move with the insights or the ad hoc request that they give, and for that we have to fetch the SQL. Now let's talk about the first request. So the question is, provide a list of markets and which customer executable operates its business in the APAC region. Okay. So the output is like this. As you can see in the output, like market, we have some markets around eight markets like Australia, Bangladesh, India, Indonesia, Japan, New Zealand, Philippines, and South Korea. These are the markets in which customer athlete executive operates its business in the APAC region. Okay. What this is the like visual answer of that query. There are eight markets in the APC region where Atlic Executive operates its business. Okay. You can say South Korea, Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, Australia, New Zealand. Okay. Now let's move with the second. What is the percentage of unique products increase in 2021 versus 2022? And the final output contains this display. Look, this is an SQL output. I will show you the Power BI. Look, so the unique products count 2020 is 245, and the unique products count 2021 is 344. Okay. So it's a good sign that we are continuously innovating new products. In the fiscal year 2020, we have 245 new products, unique products actually. And in the Fiscal year 2021, our count increased by 36.33% in 344 new. Basically, we increased by 36.3% in 2021 for new products. Okay. Now let's move to the next request. Request number third. So the question is, provide a report with all the unique products counts for each segment and sort them in descending order of product counts. And the final output contains two fields like segment and product. This is an SQL query output. I'll show you the output of visual. Okay, so what is the insights? We like Atlic Hardware provide a wide range of products under the segment of notebook, accessories, and peripherals, with an average of 110 products in each segment. That means notebook, accessory, and peripherals have much products varieties. Okay, and however, we still need to expand our production in the desktop storage network, where there are just an average of only 23 products per cell. That means like we have very less products in the category of desktop storage, and we have to like the average of only 23 products per segment, you can say. We have to do something about that. So now the next request is, which segment had the most increase in unique products in 2021 versus 2022, and the final output contains these fields. Like you can say this is an SQL query output, the difference out. Now let's move to the insights. So like here, notebook has the highest increment in the sense of new products in 2023. But we were mainly focusing on diversifying our accessory segment. We introduced 34 new products to the market in accessory. As you can see in the notebook, we have 2021, like in the year of 2021, we have 108 products. In 2020, we have 92 products, and the difference is 16. But the accessories difference is 34, basically. So basically, what we are doing, we identifying new products in the accessories. Okay. Now let's move with another request. So the request number 5 is, get the products that have the highest and lowest manufacturing costs. The final output should contain these fields. This is an SQL query output. I'll show you the Power BI. Or you can see the another insights. So whichever product has the highest manufacturing cost. Personal desktop have highest manufacturing cost with the value of $240.44, and the less manufacturing cost is AQ Master Wired X1 MS. Okay, $0.89. Move to the next. Request number 6. So generate a report that contains the top 5 products. Top 5 customers who received an average high pre-invoice discount percentage for the fiscal year 2021. And in the Indian market, the final output contains these fields. Customer code, customer average discount, and you can say we have 5 customer. Flipkart, Viveka, Season, Home, Amazon. Now let's move with the visual presentation. So in 2021, we offered various pre-invoice discount percentages to each of our top 5 customers. Given that Flipkart is the most discounted customer in the Indian market, which is 30.83%. Okay, then Viveka's, then Season, then Home, and then move to the next. Request number 7. Get the complete report of the gross sales amount for the customer at Click Exclusive for each month. And this analysis helps to get an idea of low, high performing months and make strategies decisions. And the final report contains these following. As you can see, the lowest gross sales for fiscal year 2020 is March, and for fiscal year 2021, it is August. Okay. So fiscal year 2020, the total gross sales amount is 79.5 million, and for the fiscal year 2020, it is the 224.4 million. And the highest, if I talk about the highest gross sales for fiscal year 2020, it is in November month, okay, with the value of 50.24 million. And in the fiscal 2021, it is 32.25 million in November. As you can see that in the fiscal year 2020, we have less lowest growth sales with a value of 1.77 million in the month of March. Okay. And the fiscal year 2020, we have the highest gross sales with a value of 32.25 million in the month of November. Okay. This is the same thing. And what is the reason the lowest growth sales? The reason are the COVID-19 and the global chip shortage. As you know, if you remember that in the early 2020s, there is a global chip shortage in the whole world actually. Chip shortage. So for the manufacturing thing, we need chips for in our products. So this is the main reason for the less gross sales. Okay, in the year of 20 fiscal year 2020. And the reason also the COVID-19, everything is locked down. We're not manufacturing, labors are not coming for the work. Everything is locked down. So this is also the reason for lowest grosses. Now let's move with the so what now let's move the request number 8. In which quarter of 2020 got the maximum total sold quantity and the final output contains these fields sorted by the total sold quantity in the quarter two. If you can see this in SQL output. In the quarter one, the total sold quantity is 60.39 million. Okay. And in the quarter two, it is 20 like 50.59 million, which is 29% of all. And in the quarter three, it is 12.09 million, and the quarter four is less, like 9.8. So in the first quarter, the maximum total sold quantity was 60.39, and then the lowest quantity in quarter four with a value of 9.82 million. Okay. Now let's move to the next request. So which channel helped to bring more gross sales in the fiscal year 2021? And in the percentage of contribution in the final output contains this way. So basically, which we have three channels for like channels is like our customers. Okay, like what we sell our products to whom? We sell our products to retailer, director, distributors. So these are the channels. Now understand the percentage of contribution. So a retailer is the retailers helps us to bring the highest gross sales in the fiscal year 2021 with the amount of 9024.17 million. And the channel that helps us to bring the lowest gross sales is the distributor with the amount of 297.18 million. Okay, move to the next first. Get the top three products in each division that have a high total sold quantity in the fiscal year 2021. Okay. And the final output contains these fields. Division, product code, quantity, like this. As you can see, this is an SQL query output. Okay. So basically, in the division and network and storage, we have three products that is high. Okay. AQ pen drive 2, AQ pen drive second one, DRC plus AQ pen drive DRC premium. Okay. With the value of 708.3K, 688.K, 670, and the division PNA we have AQ Gamers MS Standard 2, AQ Maxima MS Standard 1, and AQ Maxima MS Plus 2. And the division PC we have three products that are top: AQ Digit Standard, AQ Velocity Plus Red, and AQ Digit Premium Stick with this value like 70.34, 70.28. So these are the top three products in the like basically reason in the division. In the division NS, these are the three top products. In the division PNA, these are the top three products. In the division PC, these are the top three products with the particular value. So that's all for this presentation. Thank you so much for hearing me like with very patience. I will come with the next presentation. And most thanks to the Codebasics and their team to provide this Codebasics resume project channel. Thank you so much. I will come with the next presentation. Bye. See you.